Real clean, out here trying to sell a camper, power stroke putting in work, handles busting all over the side of it though, gotta clean this off. So in the cabin, it's not even that loud. It's still kind of loud, but it's not super loud. It's not like drowns you out, like very drony loud. It's a very tame loud. All right, what we have in front of us is a Dynon X-Pipe. We are about to install this on the beautiful M4, getting it ready for some more loud noise. This is given to me by Hindle. We got this through him, so shout out to Hindle. I appreciate you helping us out with some goodies for the M4, man. Let's go ahead and look up what we have underneath this bad boy. Yes, I have a haircut, and yes, I know this car is filthy underneath. We haven't been under it yet. I haven't even done a full detail wash on it yet. We washed it one time with Caitlin, me and her together. But other than that, guys, this car is filthy. I fully admit it, so just prepare your eyes. I know, I don't want you to see it. I don't even want you to see it. But up under this bad boy, we have a stock M Performance exhaust coming back through. We have stock everywhere else, except we get to the good stuff. VRSF downpipes. Other than that, that's all we got. So X-Pipe is a must. We have to get rid of these secondary cats. We got to get rid of the resonator. We got to get rid of all this. We have to get rid of all of this. Now, I could not snag this off your buddy. I could not get Hindle to let go of this beautiful Dynon Section 3. He just wouldn't do it, and I honestly don't blame him. This goes on Hindle's car. Hindle's car is sitting over here getting some work done. We are perfecting the paint on his car, trying to make it super nice for this year for all the car shows, but Hindle couldn't let this go, so we're going to be stock in Performance for a little bit. We might do some other modifications, but for right now, this is how it's going to be. I'm excited to get this X-Pipe on here, though, and just see how much this little bit changes the car. Okay, so here I have the two specimens laid out on the table. What we have is the factory BMW with cats and resonators, secondary cats, and we have the Dynon X-Pipe laying on top. So what we have here, as you can see, is this is supposed to keep secondary cats, but we are not keeping secondary cats. We are definitely losing the resonator, but with this being said, these little clamps are supposed to go right here and kind of connect in and make up this extra space. But we did not want these, so what we did was I had extra pipe laying around. We went ahead and cut this into size. This is the driver's side. This is going to weld up here, and this is going to go here. We're going to weld up these holes in the top where it's supposed to squeeze. Then this guy is going to go on this end and here and connect the rest of it to the car. So we're just going to basically extend this to make it a resonator and a secondary cat delete and have everything go simultaneously up under the car. All right, exhaust is done a solid 3 hours later, almost, probably a little more. I haven't quite calculated everything. It is up here, it is in, fully installed. I got metal in my eye. This has been the hardest exhaust I have ever installed on a car. The most nightmare exhaust I've ever installed on a car. It did not fit good. I don't know if something was previously messed up with our M4, if this exhaust maybe got bent or something. I have no idea what the deal was, but this was the hardest exhaust I've ever tried to install. Caitlin had to help me hold it up. It fell on my head like 4 times. I had to put some bolts in, and then putting one bolt in that wasn't even cross-threaded. I got a little piece of metal in this eyeball, and I don't even know if you can see it. But so we got to go have that drilled out of my eye again tomorrow. What a fun time. But yeah, this is a wrap. I'm going to end this video here because my eye hurts pretty freaking bad. But exhaust is in. I can't wait to see what it sounds like. I will show you in the morning because right now I don't even honestly care what it sounds like. I'm being completely transparent. We're going to crank it up in the morning though, see how it sounds, and hopefully it was worth all of the disaster. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are leaving the eye doctor, Coletto Eye Care in Rock Hill, South Carolina. Best eye doctor that I know, always fixes me up real good. got the metal out. Took a little dental pick, got the metal out of my eyeball, gave me a little contact. Just came back for a checkup, and we are a-okay. Shout out to Collido Eye Care. We're good. We're golden. Getting back in the M4. Hopping in here real quick. If Caitlin opened the door for me, appreciate it. What you doing? Look, you're recording me. I'm recording you. Look at that. Look at that. But yeah, we're all squared away. No more metal in the eye, so we're good. It feels fine. He said I have a slight stigmatism in the right eye, so I may notice like a little bit of light deviation at driving at night or something, and he put the yellow dye in here to make sure it was okay. That's why my eye looks pretty messed up right now. But yeah, everything was good, guys. Super happy about that. M4 sounds pretty good. It's got the cutout closed right now, I think. Cutout open. You can't even tell. It's super quiet in the cabin. What do you think about it? Exhaust is a-okay, a-okay? Yeah, a-okay. We are back here in the beautiful Autohaus shop because this guy right here, personally, yours truly, that would be me. I forgot my GoPro, so we got GoPro box. GoPro check out of the M3. Still in there from Invasion because I've just been filming on the phone. But GoPro's getting used today. Full-fledged, full-force used today. We gotta find the other box for the GoPro, and then we're on our journey today. Hey folks, we are making our way to the mountains today. Little surprise trip. We are going to see how the M4 handles the mountains. See what the M4 is all about. I apologize, this road is absolutely terrible. But we're going to see what this is all about. We are in the M4, H&R Springs, Bilstein struts. We got stage 2 full bolt-on, and we're gonna try it. Sport Cup 2 tires, and yeah, we're gonna set it stock brake pads. Woo. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it does. Just have a cool day. Just show Caitlin around. She's never been here. Kind of let her see what all it's about, what happens, and there's snow on the top of that mountain. I'm gonna get you a view. Got that video. That was sick. There's snow on top of the mountain. It's a clean 36 degrees at about 10 in the morning. Kind of frigid, kind of cold outside. But we're going to go feel this out today. We're going to go have a cool Dragon adventure, guys. I'm going to try to vlog for you, try to get you some first-hand on experience with a full bolt-on M4 at the Dragon. Not that this video has never been made before, but, you know, I just want to do it. I want to do it. I want to have a good time. I want to test this out because we have a special event for the M4 coming up in T-minus 2 weeks now. Yeah, and that's going to be really cool, really exciting. We also have made a new decision for the channel. There's going to be a new unit coming to the channel. Me and Caitlin have made the executive decision to buy this unit for the channel and for our personal use because we really want it. And I think it would help just give us some more things to do, another like unit to explore with, and I think you guys are going to love it. You guys are going to love it. The last one I owned was not on the channel, so yes, it's something I've already owned, but it's going to be a different spec. Yeah, so anyway, surprise coming soon. We're gonna get off here because I need to know where I'm going. Made it to the lookout. There's some motorcycles here, a little PRZ, And we have the overlook over here. We are doing fabulous. Caitlin has some clean cookies with me and a snack. We haven't ate lunch yet. I don't know where we'll eat lunch. It's doing pretty good. The M4 needs tires, needs brakes, softer suspension, and a few other goodies. But it's not doing bad so far. It's not doing too bad. You in the dang video, man.
Yeah, mine looks really bad. We have our honorary steal of the night.
What would this be? What does this consist
This
of?
is a pepper shaker. Just
Clean pepper shaker. Appreciate it, Handle. Boys, we are back. Excuse the bird droppings on the window here. We are back. We had a beautiful weekend. We had a beautiful time. I'm sorry some of the stuff was cut short. Caitlin got sick on some of the adventures and she really wasn't feeling it. I think it was because we really hadn't ate and there was nothing on our stomachs. So it really didn't help. But it was a fun trip. She really enjoyed it. We're going to try to go again probably in the spring. We might do Invading the Dragon. We might not. I don't know. The car, I'll be honest, is not the best right now. It was just, I don't know how to describe it. It was not built for this. It was not made to kind of do what I'm doing for. It just wasn't. It's got street tires on it. It's got stock brakes on it. It's got Bilstein suspension with some H&R springs that are really stiff, and it kind of has a lot of understeer. There's a lot to learn with the car, and I'm actually really excited about it. It's kind of a little bit like overwhelming to be like, oh crap, we have to do all this stuff. We got to get everything ready, but it's going to come together nicely, and I'm super excited for it. Guys, really hope you like this video. It's kind of more of like a vlog style video, kind of more like a in the life. Got to go to dinner with Hindle and Carmen. Saw the little parking lot clip. I need to film more of this. I really enjoy filming this content. I really hope you guys like this type of content. It kind of is like a day in the life and kind of what we're doing, and it just kind of fills you guys in, and just, I think it's fun. I really enjoy it. So let me know in the comments down below. Do you like this stuff? Do you hate this stuff? Is it really good? And let me know by liking the video or disliking the video. And please drop a comment. Tell me what you want to see. If you have an F82 M4, what are you doing to make it more track ready? What was your first mod and what did you do? And what do you think about tracking the F82 versus the E92? I'm kind of sold on it. I don't know. The E92 would be easier to track because it's basically done. Just needs a good set of tires because the back's got like a clean 30% tread. But other than that, it's still set up very better than this car. But nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you soon.